Hey guys, it's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions, and today I'm just doing a quick update on my RV solar setup. As you can see, I got my battery bank installed. I got 6 sealed 100 amp hour batteries for a total of 600 amp hours. Then I got a Samlex. It's a 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter. And between the battery bank and the inverter, I got a 300 amp circuit breaker. That way, if for every reason I wanted to disconnect the power going to the inverter, I just hit one button and it'll disconnect it. I hooked this battery bank up about a month ago, and I was just doing some trial and error to see if I wanted to add a couple more batteries or not. And it seems to be pretty good, and I've been charging the whole battery bank for right now on a 100 watt portable solar panel, and it has been working just fine. I got 6 panels, which are flexible panels that are going to be put on the roof here shortly, and I'll show you that towards the end of this video. But my next step to complete the battery bank, I'm going to get some plywood and box the battery bank off and the inverter to keep it separate from the storage area, and build a little compartment where I could tuck the wire nice and neat. I end up mounting the power button right below the bunk beds here to kind of keep it out of the way, so it's out of sight, out of mind. And whenever you need AC power, you just go up here, press the power button. Now I'm charging the front battery, and I could run the TV, microwave, whatever I need to run. And then you can also, on the display, you can see the voltage here. Now the voltage is a little off. It's like 0.3 of a volt off or something like that. Not a big thing, but my charge controller is going to tell me the voltage in the battery too, and hopefully it'll be a little more accurate, which I'll find out here shortly. Once I get the panels on the roof, I'll hook up the charge controller, and I'm just going to kind of go from there. Now, of course, when you want to turn off the inverter, you just hit the button again. And it's nice, simple, and easy. You can do it all from right here. I don't actually have to lift up the bunk beds to turn on the inverter, so the power button definitely makes it nice. Also, I still got a 120 amp hour battery in the front, so when I'm not running the inverter, when I want to run the water pump or the lights, it's going to run off the front battery. Now, these are the solar panels I decided to go with. I have 6 of them. They're by HQST. They're 100 watts apiece, so I have a total of 600 watts of power to recharge my battery bank. Now, I am no solar expert by any means, so if you guys have any suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'm hoping to start installing these panels on the roof sometime next week. So as always, if you guys like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.